Hello guys, I am here with another tutorials and few examples of Pyraminx. So I will provide here the tutorial with along with the examples. So first let's see the Pyraminx here. Three center pieces. These are three corner pieces and these are three center pieces. So you know that for any cube or any type of puzzle the center pieces do not change, and the corner pieces may change. Let's see, consider this centerpiece, then it will not change this position and the sequence remains the same, but the corner pieces may change. And these are the four, 1 2 3, and this is the four tips which rotates in 360 degree, but it don't affect the pyramids at all. So it will solve these tips at last. So first we need to solve for any unsolved pyramids. We first need to see the centerpieces matched or not. These are centerpieces. So let's see, in any side of the cube the centerpieces do not match. Let's we consider any color. Let's take for convenient, let's take yellow. Let's take this yellow one centerpiece. This is one and this is not one two. So skipping yellow and considering any other. So let's consider this color. So here we got the three center pieces. Now we need to solve the corner pieces, and you can solve the tips by rotating. So we need to solve only two corner pieces because we need the last one corner piece for solving the full pyramids. So we need to solve one corner is solved and another remains. Where it is. So the two corner pieces solved and the last one remaining, so we will use it to solve the full pyramids. So we need to see this color, the downside and the remaining corner piece or color. So this is green. We need to set the green centerpiece in front of us, and then we have to match the green with the green, and here a pair forms and we have to set this pair in the back side. And when it is done, we need to see the remaining corner last piece from this side, and then if these are not the same colors, then we have to solve this in this place. So in this way you can solve the full pyramids. So let's see another example solves. See, here we are going with another scramble of the pyramids. So let's see one as easy example. So we are ready with another example. First we have to solve the center pieces, three center pieces. So here two red center pieces are solved and another one is there, so we'll fix this in this way. The three center pieces are solved and tips are already solved. We need to solve another two center pieces of the three. The one is already corner pieces, three corner pieces. We need to solve two corner pieces. There is another already solved. We need to solve another one. So where is red? This is red, so this will be solved here, this will be solved here, and we'll fix this in this way. The here is downside is solved, remaining one corner piece only. So as I told previously, we need to see this color from the downside, and we need to put the center piece in front of this color, and then we will solve this color, match this color with this color, and we have to set it in the back side, and this corner piece is here. So we did not got the pair, so we need to see it again. Here is green and the green in front, and we match green with the green, but it did not form the pair, so we need to do in this way, and there is pair form, and it will set in the back side. Now the pair is formed, and we'll fix this tip. There is the pair. There we will solve the last corner piece, and the Pyraminx will be solved completely. So if it is in the front and these two colors are same, then we need to do first. This is called right slice, right down, left down, right up, left down. Again we have to do right down, left down, right up, left up, and this will be solved. So here the video ends, so like, share and subscribe for more, and if any confusion and you need any other examples, so please comment and tell, I'll make another video.